'cause you are my beloved. I always had your shoulder there to cry. Now I'm half, yeah, I'm half of what I used to be.
This is Bobbles Smithsonian Live with today's big question. Is she? Am I talented enough to tempt you back from decantant? Will you be my camera bud again? Wait, where are you going? Why won't you speak to me?
Oh, honestly. Everyone knows camera buds aren't allowed to talk when the red light's on. Go ahead.
Bobbles, I didn't leave you for decantant. He's not that talented. I left you because you don't listen. You're always on, always talking.
That's my job.
And you're amazing at it. But I never get to ask about your day, or tell you how I feel, or explain how you can't sing, and you definitely shouldn't do it on television.
But I can sing now. Neighbour taught me.
She taught you auto tune. Lucky I wasn't recording that, huh?